Hello, my name is Raymond Drexel. This is my second class in the MALIT program, focusing in the concentration of instructional design. I work in the IT department at a small college in upstate New York, Medaille College to be specific. I've been at the college for 10 years, and I've worked in the IT department for all 10 years. Uh, my role currently, that's been for the last 5 years, is the instructional technology specialist. As the instructional technology specialist, I support the learning management system Blackboard, as well as design and maintenance of the physical classrooms and other technology spaces on campus. So taking these classes, hope to get new experience and understanding of how faculty use technology and how to better facilitate the usage of technology, understanding how they might integrate that into their curriculum. So very excited to take this second class. Part of that job description, media becomes pretty important in showing faculty and students how to use technology. So we have the IT site where we have a lot of resources for our students and faculty, and working with our Office of Online Learning, we have curated lots of documents with both visual doc steps and reference material as well as videos. So using Screencast-O-Matic is actually kind of such second nature at this point that we use it quite frequently making videos for campus. So you can see here on one of our Blackboard pages, we have a video channel here that we created. Some videos were made by my colleagues, others I've made. Um, Other resources might be a little bit more static, so classroom technology, information on campus, kind of a more basic website page, but having infographic information. So in this case, this is a classroom information page, so this way a faculty member can check out a classroom before they even set foot on campus and know where what they're walking into. Uh, Outside of my work, I enjoy uh, computers and technology. I also enjoy the outdoors, so combining those two, I take a lot of photographs. This photo is actually rather old. It's from like 2012, but I more recently uploaded it to Reddit. This is a little bit more recent. I was in the Adirondacks with my wife, and this is a photo overlooking, uh, I'm going to get it wrong. I believe this is Lake Placid or the adjacent lake. Can't remember. Mirror Lake. This is Mirror Lake in the Lake Placid region. So I enjoy photography. I enjoy the outdoors, and I enjoy also building websites to show these pages of photos. I've also built photo albums online using Shutterfly. Definitely enjoy digital media, but I also like print materials too. A little old school, new school combination there. I look forward to learning from all of my classmates because you guys more likely are working in K-12 or even higher ed, and will have a whole different experience and view on how to use digital media, and I can hopefully learn from you guys to help faculty learn on how to use campus resources that I may or may not onboard or help them onboard. Thank you.